In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create daily notes in Obsidian. Daily notes are a simple, powerful way to capture tasks, journal entries, reminders, and ideas in one place for each day, so you always know where to look when you need to review what happened or plan what's next. First, open your vault in Obsidian. A vault is just the folder where all your notes live. If you already have one, choose it from the list when Obsidian opens. If you use multiple vaults, make sure you're in the one where you want your daily notes to be stored, so everything stays organized together. Next, open Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. In Settings, select the Core Plugins section. Core Plugins are features built directly into Obsidian, and Daily Notes is one of them. Scroll until you see Daily Notes and toggle it on. Once it's enabled, Obsidian adds a convenient entry point for creating and viewing your notes for each day. Close Settings and look at your sidebar. You should see a Daily Notes icon that looks like a small calendar or page. Click it. This tells Obsidian you want to work with today's note. If you don't see the icon, double-check that the plugin is enabled in Settings. Now, create a new daily note for the current date. In most setups, clicking the Daily Notes icon will automatically create today's note and title it with today's date. You'll see a blank page, ready to capture whatever matters for your day. It's intentionally simple, so you can start writing without any friction. Add tasks, journal entries, or reminders to organize your day. A helpful pattern is to start with a short plan or intention for the day. Then list your tasks using checkboxes so you can mark them complete as you go. You might add a quick morning check-in at the top and a brief reflection at the end of the day. If you prefer time blocking, jot down time-stamped entries as you move through your schedule. For reminders and follow-ups, write a clear line with what needs to happen and when. And consider adding a tag you'll remember so it's easy to find later. If something relates to another note, link to it so you can jump straight to the details when you need them. That's it. You've opened your vault, enabled daily notes, created today's note, and started capturing what matters. Keep returning to this note throughout the day, and you'll build a reliable daily record with almost no effort.